Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha here again. This week is National Automotive Service Professionals Week, so this is largely going to be an appreciation post for our service team here. And I'm going to briefly go around, introduce you guys to our service department here, and I'm going to ask what they like most about working here in service at Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha.
Hi, I'm Angela David. I'm the service manager here at Russ Darrow Kia in Waukesha. I've been with the group for about 10 years now, and my favorite part about this job is just being able to help the people that come in to get their cars serviced.
Hi, my name is Kara. I've been with the Russ Darrow Automotive group for about 4 months now. I just recently came over from sales. My favorite part about the job is I'm learning new things every single day, and it's a challenge, and I like that.
Hi, I'm Jacob Pavlich. I'm the Assistant Service Manager here at Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha. I've been with Russ Darrow for about 8 or 9 years here, and my favorite part of the job is just helping people out every day, and every day is different. No day's the same. It's a fun place to work.
Hi, I'm Kaylee. I've been with Russ Darrow for about 1.5 years now. Favorite thing about being here is helping guests with their vehicle repairs and just the team.
So as you guys can see here, we have a wonderful service team, especially if you buy your vehicle here at Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha. Servicing it here also makes everything just as simple. Oil changes, tire rotations, 30,000 mile maintenance, you name it, getting new tires. We have records of everything here. Whether you have a factory warranty or an extended service contract, we have detailed records of all warranties here as well. So making a claim through any type of warranty work is a whole lot easier through here as well. And we can just all work in unison between the sales department, the service department, and then the parts department here as well. So if you guys would like to set up an appointment for service, contact us here at 262-444-5445. Just ask for service and they can set up an appointment for you. Otherwise, take care. Have a great week. We'll see you guys soon.